Hi beauties! Today I'll be showing you how to make your lips look bigger with LipSense. Stay tuned! First things first, we're going to start with clean, dry lips. Alright, grab your LipSense and let's get started. Always remember, 3 thin layers. Alright, I'm going to pull the wand out and I'm going to wipe off all the excess. So there's like barely anything on the wand. And then I'm going to turn it so that I'm using the point of the wand to draw a line right outside of my natural lip line. Watch. I look a little crazy right now. Next up, apply LipSense as usual. You want to make sure that your LipSense is completely dry, and then you can go ahead and gloss. You want to make sure you get gloss everywhere where there's LipSense, including that outside line. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And for more videos just like this, subscribe to my channel below. Hi beauties! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your lips look bigger with LipSense. Stay tuned for the video. No. Okay. Oh, my hair. Okay. Okay, today I'm going to be using, no. Why do I always start with okay? It always me. Plumper. Plumper. Plumper's harder to say. A little plumper. No, I don't like that. Okay. 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 It's okay. Okay. Damn it with the okays. First thing. So right now, you look a little crazy. And that's okay. Oh my god.